Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your home gym with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best treadmills for serious runners, chosen for their horsepower, safety features, deck size, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. We've done the research so you don't have to. Let's get started.
First up, we're checking out the 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill. It's a commercial-grade beast designed for marathon training and heavy daily use. It packs a massive 4.0 horsepower motor and an oversized 22 by 62-inch deck. The OrthoFlex shock suspension system and thick orthopedic belt make every stride feel incredibly smooth, stable, and quiet. It easily supports runners up to 400 pounds without shaking or vibrating under heavy foot strikes. It feels incredibly solid and sturdy, giving you that authentic gym experience right in your basement. But we've got to be real about the drawbacks. The machine's incredibly heavy, weighing nearly 400 pounds, meaning you'll definitely need white glove delivery or a few strong friends to move it. Also, the console's very basic and feels outdated. The built-in speakers are subpar, the fan's weak, and it won't save your runner profile. But if you want a tank that prioritizes structural durability and a lifetime warranty over flashy screens, it's a top-tier pick. It's perfect for runners who want gym-quality performance without being forced into a monthly subscription.
Next, we're checking out the Horizon Fitness 7.0 AT Treadmill. This model offers near gym-quality performance at a much more budget-friendly tier. It features a 3.0 horsepower rapid sync motor and a spacious 20 by 60-inch deck. The 3-zone variable cushioning gives you a soft landing and a firm push-off. It connects seamlessly with popular apps like Peloton and Swift, and there are absolutely no mandatory subscription fees to use the basic functions. It's incredibly easy to assemble, taking less than an hour for most people. However, there are a few design quirks to keep in mind. The quick-dial control knobs are positioned right where your hands naturally swing when you're running, which leads to accidental speed or incline adjustments. Also, the built-in fan's too weak to be useful, and the heart rate monitor takes a long time to register a reading. But despite these minor flaws, it's a solid, quiet, and stable machine. It's an outstanding value for average runners looking for smooth incline transitions and easy folding storage without a high-end price tag.
Our third pick is the 3G Cardio Pro Runner Treadmill. It's the perfect middle ground option if you want a high-end runner's deck but need to conserve space. It features a 3.0 horsepower motor and a thick, comfortable 20.5 by 58-inch orthopedic belt. What sets this apart is its space-saving design. Unlike most flimsy folding treadmills, this one remains incredibly sturdy and stable, even when you're pushing high speeds. It also has an assisted shock system that makes folding it up a breeze. On the downside, it's still quite heavy to move around initially, and the console's very basic. Some users note that if you pause your workout, the machine automatically resets the incline back to flat, which can be frustrating during interval sessions. The heart rate monitor can also be a bit picky. However, the customer service from this brand is legendary, with representatives frequently helping users troubleshoot directly over FaceTime. If you want a heavy-duty, reliable folding treadmill with a fantastic warranty and top-tier support, it's a very smart purchase.
Next up's the ProForm Carbon TLX Treadmill. It's a highly reliable option that strikes a great balance between modern features and solid performance. It packs a 3.0 horsepower motor, a 20 by 60-inch deck, and ProShox cushioning to save your joints from impact. It folds up effortlessly using a hydraulic assist, making it great for tight spaces. The console features a clear display and a convenient device shelf with charging ports. It's built to support users up to 300 pounds. While it's designed to integrate with the iFit training platform, you can easily bypass the subscription by holding down the iFit button to run it in standard manual mode. That's a relief because the app can sometimes be buggy and crash. Also, the built-in fan's pretty weak, and customer support can be slow to respond. It also takes a couple of hours to assemble. But overall, it's a quiet, smooth, and well-built machine. It's a fantastic choice if you want a durable, space-saving treadmill with a spacious deck at a very reasonable price.
Finally, we've got the THERUN T15 Series Treadmill. This model stands out for its high-value performance, offering a massive 20% auto incline that engages more muscles and burns calories fast. It runs on a powerful 3.5 horsepower motor and features a large 55 by 20-inch running belt. It supports up to 300 pounds and accommodates taller runners up to 6'3". It also features color-changing LED pace lights and integrates with apps like Zwift. The folding mechanism is highly smooth and quiet. However, there are a few things to watch out for. Assembly can be a bit of a pain because some of the machine screw holes don't align perfectly out of the box. The built-in fan's barely noticeable, and the speakers are pointed downward, which muffles the sound slightly. There are also occasional reports of the motor stopping early. But the massive 20% incline, wireless charger, and smooth folding mechanism make it an absolute steal. It's the ultimate choice if you want intensive incline workouts without paying a premium price.
And that wraps up the top 5 best treadmills for serious runners. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest fitness picks. Let us know in the comments which one of these treadmills you're bringing home to crush your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.